Good morning students. Today we will be studying methods of preparing partners capital account. Now partners capital account is basically prepared from the point of view of partners. So any income related to the partners will be shown on the credit side of partners capital account, and any expenses related to the partner will be shown on the debit side of partners capital account. Now partners capital account can be prepared with two methods. First is fixed capital method, second is fluctuating capital method. Now under fixed capital method, two accounts are prepared. One is partners capital account, second is partners current account. And fluctuating capital method, only one account is prepared, that is known as partners capital account. Now let's take the first method, that is fixed capital method. Under this method, two accounts are prepared. One is partners capital account, another is partners current account. Now in case of fixed capital method, the capital of the partner remains same, that is opening capital remains same at the end of the year. Only in two cases the capital may change, that is any additional capital brought in by the partners or permanent withdrawal of the capital, that is called as drawing against capital. Now let's see the format of partners capital account. We start with by balance brought down, that is opening capital, then by cash oblique bank, that is additional capital brought by the partner, then to cash oblique bank, that is drawing out of capital, and the last is to balance carried down, that is the closing balance or the balancing figure. Now the second account which we are preparing is partners current account. Under partners current account, the opening balance can be a current account balance can be a debit balance or a credit balance. So we start with by balance brought down, then by interest on capital, then by partners salary, by commission, by P&L appropriation, that is basically the profit. On the debit side, all the expenses are written, that is to drawings, that is drawing out of profit, to interest on drawings, to P&L account, that is loss, and to balance carried down. Now the second method is fluctuating capital method. Under fluctuating capital method, only a single account is prepared, that is partners capital account. Here the word fluctuating means the capital of the partner does not remain the same, it keeps on changing or it keeps on fluctuating. That is why it is called as fluctuating capital method. It is a combination of both partners capital account and current account. Now we start with by balance brought down, that is opening capital, then by cash oblique bank, that is additional capital brought by the partner, then by interest on capital, then by commission, then by partner's salary, then by P&L appropriation, that is profit. On the debit side, we will be writing to balance brought down, that is the negative balance or a debit balance of partner's capital account, then to drawings, that is drawing out of profit, then to interest on drawings, to P&L account, that is loss, and by balance carried down, that is the closing balance. Now in question, if nothing is specified which method the partners capital account has to be prepared, always assume that through fluctuating capital method we will be preparing partners capital account.